In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Binance Smart Chain on your MetaMask. Basically, your Ethereum wallet address is same as your Binance Smart Chain address, so you just have to do a few things to set up Binance Smart Chain on your MetaMask. It's not much of a process. It's super easy. So before you start setting up Smart Chain on your MetaMask, download MetaMask. Once you download MetaMask, click on the three dot menu on the top left corner of your screen. This three dot menu on top, that the top left corner, yeah, you click there. Once you click that three dot menu, another menu is gonna pop up. Okay, so once that menu pops up, you scroll to the bottom and click on settings, that little gear icon. You click on settings, you're gonna see stuff like general, security, privacy, advanced, contact. You click on networks, add and edit custom RPC networks. That's where you're gonna click. Once you click there, the BSC MAINET is not gonna be there. You click on add network. Once you click add network, kind of a form or something is gonna come up for you to fill. So once the form comes up, you fill it with the network credentials. I'm gonna name it by BSC MAINET for the sake of this video, but you can name it anything you want to name it, but it's just advisable you name it BSC MAINET so you can remember or know what you're doing. Then the next thing is the network URL, which is already on my clipboard. I'm gonna leave that on the description of the video, so you don't need to grab the network URL. Then you put the chain ID as 56. Yeah, that's the chain ID. Once you put the chain ID as 56, you put the symbol BNB, but it's not important, but it's just good you do that. Put BNB, you put the Explorer so you can check your transaction history. Put in https bscscan.com. That's https colon slash https okay, https colon // bscscan.com. Yeah, so once that is done, you check once again, you make sure everything is fine. Once everything is fine, you can go ahead and click on add. But if you didn't really get what I'm saying in this video, I'll leave the description, everything you have to fill in those fields, it's on the description of the video. Just check it out, copy it, put in your MetaMask. So right now I've just set up my chain on my MetaMask. You can see BNB right here on top. You can see RFI and a BEP 20 token. If you send smart chain to this address, it's gonna show. So that's just how it works, no stress. So you can see my balance just came up right now. So that's just how to set up everything, no stress. If you want to change it back to Ethereum and check your Ethereum balance, you click that wallet icon on top and click Ethereum main network. That's where it switches you back to Ethereum and you see your ERC20 tokens. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend. If you don't like it, leave some constructive criticism, share it to your friends that probably haven't seen my video before. Maybe one of them would like it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around.